What's up, guys? This is Drew. Drew drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. So pretty nice interior in this truck. You have a big screen, wireless or digital gauge cluster. You also have a wireless charging tray. As you can see, my phone charging in there right now. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you also have Google Maps built in. With the GM products, you have the Google Maps in there, which I think is really cool. I love having Google Maps in the center display. Let's look at the window sticker. 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Exterior is thunderstorm gray with the jet black interior, 6.2 liter Ecotec V8, 10-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has the Denali Reserve package, which gives you the rear camera mirror. You want to see that up there. Multicolor 15-inch diagonal head-up display, power sunroof, GMC multi-pro power steps, 22-inch painted aluminum wheels. The engine's a $2295 cost, which is interesting. You also have an active exhaust, and thunderstorm gray is a $495 option. Total, this vehicle's equipped. The total cost of this with this vehicle's equipment is $78,445, or $77,945 actually on the total vehicle price. 16 miles per gallon, 15 city, 19 highway. Yeah. You have a Bose sound system in here with really big speakers, speaker grills. Also says Denali on the seats and on the doors with this little metal badge. And the rear seats look pretty cool too. Seats feel comfortable. You put the vehicle in reverse, you have a 360-degree camera system. Really good resolution. Now let's walk around this Denali. Also have a giant center console. It's crazy. So here are those power side steps. It says 6.2 liter V8 on the side. Pretty cool looking truck. Giant grille. You also have heated rear seats. That's a nice touch. Here's the truck bed. And you also have that little handle if you want to get inside the truck bed. It'll help you get in. Yeah, you can like use it as you can put it down so you can walk up and make like a little step ladder for yourself, which is cool. Dual outlet exhaust. Well, yeah, it's a good looking truck. I like it. Let's get out on the road. Oh, you also have heated and ventilated seats. Forgot to mention that. And you have paddle shifters too. That engine sounds good. I like these Sierra Denalis. They're really nice trucks. Oh nice, you even have a heated steering wheel. That's cool. I like the ride height. You feel very elevated above the road, which makes sense. The only there's one thing I do not like about GMC trucks personally, or actually GM products, is like this turn signal stock. It feels really flimsy to me, and I don't like how everything is on that stock, right? I wish there was a wiper stock, but that's how it is on GM cars. I wish that was different. Oh, you also have a head-up display. I like that. Ride is smooth. And that V8 not only sounds good, but it'll give you all the power you need. Very cool. The camera mirror helps with visibility in these bigger vehicles. I don't think the camera mirror is necessary in smaller cars, or it's typically more useful in big trucks and stuff. Big trucks, big SUVs, because the windows all the way in the back, or like small coupes in which you have no visibility at the back. But it is definitely useful in this truck. But yeah, this truck has a lot of presence, as you can see. But thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new, certified pre-owned, or pre-owned GMC Sierra trucks.